If you want your espresso machine to keep running cleanly, I definitely recommend Active's espresso machine cleaning tablets. I was sent these for review and I love them. You simply want to add the rubber cover to your portafilter so you can add the tablet right in and it will wash backwards and clean up into the machine. Here I am adding that simple little tablet in, twist it on tight, and then follow the instructions on your espresso machine and make sure there's something underneath it just in case there's overflow. Once it finishes running, you'll just pull out your portafilter and it will have cleaned everything out. There wasn't much in mine. I did a water rinse and now it's ready to go. Love it.